Hello, friends. Today we are trying to understand this very important topic of arithmetic progression for class 10th. And I'm just waiting for more people to join in. 17 people have joined it, 31 now. Siddhant Kumar, hello. 42 people now. Because in the beginning, we will be having the introductory session. So I need more people to join in and not to miss the introductory session. Hi Manoj, hello. Praveen, hello. Physics Revolvers, hello. Chemist Yusuf, Raja Reddy, Agin Anil, Savari Raj. Yeah, I know it's very useful for all types of competitive exams. Firoz, hello. Satyam Pathak, Kirti, Ketul, Tapas, Nirmal, Ashwin, Ravi Pratap Singh, Praveen Kumar, Yogi, Abhijit, Agin. They're all my YouTube followers, and I'm sure they will be greatly benefited by this session. Gauss Pasha, hello. You have been one of the forefront subscribers of my channel. Chitra, Shiva Krishna, Ashwin. Yeah, 58 have joined us now. I'll just give one more minute for people to join in. Salu Sharma, Rijul, hello to everyone. Vasu Gupta, hello. Ashwin, Srinivas. It's Ashwin. Vicky Singh, Kamlakar, yeah, Vinay Prasad, Study Mirror, Ankit Surya, Satyam Patak. Obviously, yes, if you follow the entire video, you will surely learn something new. Rijul Gupta. Rijul Gupta, yeah, you are here, I know. Rijul. Praveen will talk about that later, surely. Okay, 58 people have already joined, so I think we can begin the introductory session of this important topic. Yeah, 60 now. Okay, let us first try and understand this meaning of this important topic, arithmetic progression, which is included in the syllabus of class 10th. And well, the count is increasing now 65 people now already. Okay, and this topic finds wide applicability in subsequent classes, class 11, 12 also. You cannot escape this topic. And if you know this well, only then you can carry forward mathematics in class 11. So what is arithmetic progression? You know, whenever we write any sequence of numbers, say 2, 3, -1, 7 by 2, root 2, 5. Now see, I have written some numbers on the board, and these numbers, all numbers, are written randomly without any rule. So if I ask you what will come next in the series, you will not be able to tell me because there is no rule through which I have written numbers. So these numbers, they are a series of numbers. It is just a random series of numbers without any rule. But whenever a series is written according to some rule, so series plus rule, now the word changes. A series of numbers following some rule is known as a sequence. Now that is the difference between a sequence and a series. This word sequence can also be substituted by another number, another word, that is the important word of progression. So sequence or progression. Progression is basically a series of numbers which is written according to some rule. So now you know the meaning of the word progression. Now the this rule may be different in different series of numbers. So according to the rule, we categorize these progressions into many parts, and all these progressions are very important. But in class 10th, we study only one type of progression, only one type of progression. Now, this type of progression which we are going to study is known as arithmetic progression. Obviously, there are many other types of progressions also. This is AP, arithmetic progression. You have another type of progression, GP, that is the geometric progression. Simultaneously, you have the harmonic progression, arithmetico-geometric progressions, and so on, which you study at higher level. Now, these all types of progressions follow different rules. I will only deal with the arithmetic progression rule, which is important for 10th class. Now, see how an arithmetic progression is written. Suppose I have a series of numbers 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Now, very easily, you can identify this series of numbers. The rule behind this, I am just adding 3 to the previous number. 2 plus 3 gives you 5, 5 plus 3 gives you 8, 8 plus 3 gives you 11, 11 plus 3 gives you 14, and so on. So, now once you know the rule, you can tell me infinite number of terms of this progression very easily, because all these numbers are written according to the rule that the next number is obtained by adding 3 to the previous number. Now, this is what is arithmetic progression. When you take the difference between the consecutive terms 5 and 2, the difference 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, difference of 8 and 5, it is again 3. Difference of 11 minus 8, it is again 3. 14 minus 11, it is again 3. So, this difference is known as the common difference. So, in a arithmetic progression, this word common difference is very important. The first term of any arithmetic progression is represented by small a. And this common difference, which I have calculated by subtracting the second and the first term, or the third and the second, this common difference is denoted by the alphabet D. So once we have understood the first term and the common difference of an arithmetic progression, then we can move forward. I think I can give you 1 minute for asking any doubt you have concerning the introductory part of arithmetic progression. So if there is any doubt, you can just post your comment. I'm just waiting for any type of doubt you may have in understanding what is the first term, the beginning of the arithmetic progression, and the common difference. Okay, I think we can continue. You all seem to have understood. Okay, Tapas Mukherjee. Can we subtract 2 and 5? Yeah, see, the common difference is basically obtained by subtracting the next and the previous. So you have to subtract the previous term from the next term. So common difference is minus 2. It is not 2 minus 5. If you take it as 2 minus 5, then entire calculation will be changing. So in 10th class, you have common difference as second term minus first term. Deep Singh Gill, fraction difference. Yeah, we will take up some examples, some questions in which difference is fractional. Wait for that. Ravi Pratap Singh seems to have understood. Gauss Pasha, if there is fractions, then sir, yeah, we will be taking up some problem, Gauss. Just wait for that. Yeah, any other query till now? Yeah, I think we can continue now. Now see, whenever we talk of a AP, then we need the general representation of an AP. So once you have understood what is the first term and the common difference, we will come to the general representation of an AP. The first term is always represented by A, small a. So this is always the first term. Any AP, the first term, whatever it is given, you represent that by small a. Now I told you the next term is obtained by adding a constant quantity. That constant quantity is D. So the second term is A plus D. Now add one more D. So D becomes 2D. Now 2D becomes 3D. 3D becomes 4D. And you can continue writing this series up to any number of terms. Now all these terms, they form a general AP. This is the first term, you can call it A1 also, but we don't write A1, it is just A. The second term, A plus B, it is A2. The third term, A3. Fourth term, A4. Fifth term, A observation in this. Just see the fifth term. How are we obtaining the fifth term? We are representing that by A plus 4D. So if you are getting A5 as A plus 4D, the coefficient of D here is 1 less than the term number. If you have the fifth term, then the coefficient of D is 4. If you have third term, then the A5, A plus 4D. Similarly, if you have understood this, now you can post your for A21. Can you post your comment and tell me what will be the formula for A21, 21st term? Just waiting for your responses. Yeah, I understand the video quality. Some of you are posting that comment that video quality is blurred. Kindly adjust your YouTube video settings to a higher resolution. Deep Singh Gill, A plus 20D, very well done. A21, the 21st term of this NEAP, the formula for 21st term. So this is A plus 20D. Just remember the coefficient of D should be 1 less than the term number. So even if you have to find 48, then the formula will be A plus 47D. So if you have understood this term number, how to find the formula for a particular term, then can you tell me what will be the formula for the nth term, an? I just want to know what will be the formula for the nth term of an term. I think you are also following the channel since long. I'm just waiting of an AP, the formula 1. A plus n minus 1. It's just incomplete. Waiting for a correct response. Gauss Pasha, you just replied A plus 21D. Just understand if you have the term number here. So I think you replied to this question. A plus. Just waiting for. Yeah, I think Hardeep Singh has posted the right answer there. The formula for this plus n minus 1 into d. So if you have any term formula, you want to know the formula for that term, A will always be there, B will always be one less than the term number. This is the first formula for the general term of an arithmetic progression. So if you know the first term and the common difference A and D, you can very easily find any term of the AP. I'll just write it here so that people who have joined late, they can easily find out what is A and D. A is the first term and D is the common difference is it is obtained by subtracting A2 and A1. Second term minus first term, that is the common difference of the AP. So if you know A and D, just put the values here, you will get any term. Aswin Srinivas, yeah, I've told that already 2 times. I hope you are following. Now, how do we use this formula for solving some particular type of question AP? Let me just take 1 or 2 problems and then we will get into solutions of those problems using this formula for the general term of an AP. Now see, suppose there is a question in which an AP is given 8, 14, 20, 26 and so on. Now this is a given AP and you need to find the term number 26. Find term number 26. So I'll just demonstrate this first. See, whenever you are given an AP, automatically what comes into your mind is to find the value of A, that is the first term, and D, that is the common difference. In this series, just see the first term. This is 8. So we will represent this 8 by A, and the common difference D is obtained by second term minus first term. Now see the second one, it is 14, and see the first term, it is 8. So just subtract these two, you get 6. Now you have the values of A and D. So once you have the values of A and D, you can now find the term number 26 using the formula which we just derived. So what will be the formula for 26 term? Anyone there? Can you post your the formula for of term number 26? Yeah, the formula for term number 26. Yeah, Gaurav Patel, big hello to you. Kindly post your comment. What will be the formula for term number 26? Just waiting for a right answer. Term number 26. Still no correct answer. Yeah, well, I think I'll have to get on with this. I can't wait. And followed by a plus, and the coefficient of D will be 1 less than this 26. So what is 1 less than 26? It is 25 D. So A plus 25 D, and now just put the values A is 8 plus 25 into D is 6. So you get 8 plus 150. That is 158 is your answer for this. Khushbu Tiwari, there's a demand for BODMAS and BODMAS simplification rules. Yeah, surely we will have more sessions. Kindly wait for that. Ashwin, you want more important questions for NTSC? Yeah, it's a tough job, preparing for NTSC, but you have to start at an early stage. So give yourself 6 months time for preparation of NTSC. Now if you have understood how we find any term of a given arithmetic progression, now we can move on to another type of question of this arithmetic progression. Another question, in an AP, the general term an is obviously the nth term, that is the general term. It is represented by 9 minus 4n. 9 minus 4n. Now we can find any term of this AP. Now suppose the question is find term number 13 and term number 21. Now suppose we need to find general term of this AP is already given. 9 minus 4n. Now see, very easy question for board exams. In this A13, now you don't need the first term and the common difference. You are already given the expression for the general term. So 9 minus 4n, so 9 minus 4n. What is n? Now n is this term number. So term number is 13 here. So just put 13 minus 52. That is minus 43. This is your term number 13, whose general term is an equal to 9 minus 4n. Now you can find any term. We have term number 21. So 9 minus 4 into 21. Just put in place of n, just put this term number. So here it was 13, so we put 13 here, and here it is 21, so we put 84. So minus 75 is your answer. I hope you have understood these two types of important questions of arithmetic progression, very useful for board exams. Ayush Singh Rajput, hello to you. Tapas Mukherjee, I don't know which question you are answering. 77 is not the answer for any question which I have written on board. So kindly check that again. Vashim, hello, and Ayush Singh, hello. Kindly join in and just post your replies for whatever questions I am posting. So any doubts in these two type of questions? Whenever we are given a series, a AP series, and we have to find a definite term number, the first thing, and second part, when we are given the general expression of an arithmetic progression, and we need to find any two terms or any term for that matter. So we can always find that term. So if you have understood this, we can move forward. Another type of question, if you have understood these two types, then you can do that also. Now, this type of question, this also comes in your board exams in 1 or 2 mark question only. So this question goes like this: for what the terms 2k minus 7, k plus 5, 3k plus 2 are consecutive terms of an AP. For what value of k, the terms, we are given three terms, and we need to find the value of k for which these three terms are consecutive terms of an AP. Very important question for board examination point of view. You need to learn the method for this, and if you start thinking in board exams without actually practicing this type of question, then it will be difficult. But if you know the method, you can solve this in hardly 15 to 20 seconds time only. So how do we start the solution here? So we write if these three are in AP. I told you how we check whether a given series is in AP or not. The difference should be same, common difference. The word I told you was common difference. So difference is always common. So if these are the consecutive terms, so if we subtract second term minus first term, if we subtract the third term, second term, we should get the same result. So I put a equal to sign in between. Now we will get a equation in one variable. So just put the values here. Second term is k plus 5. First term is 2k minus 7. Third is 3k plus 2. And second is k plus 5. Now just open the brackets. K plus 5 minus 2k plus 7. 3k plus 2 minus k minus 5. So here you have minus k plus 12. And on the other side 2k minus 3. So just shift it here. 15 equal to 3k gives you k equal to 5. So very simple and very important question for CBSE exams. Any doubts in this? Any doubt? You may ask any kind of problem if you have. You have my WhatsApp number also, 9963699963. You can post your question, your any doubt you have in CBSE exams, not only in topic of arithmetic progression, any question for that matter which you are not feeling comfortable with, you can post it in on that WhatsApp number. I will try and reply and give you a solution for that. So these are the three main questions, starting questions. If you have an understanding of how arithmetic progression works, then we can continue with some more live streaming, some more problems of arithmetic progression. Then you can practice this and come up with your doubts on my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching.